Auzu billahi samil alim min ash-shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Whenever we present the universe and everything in it as the evidence of the existence of God, saying that if there is no God, then who created everything? The atheists always try to rebut this argument, saying that if God created everything, then who created God? Many people try to answer this counter argument of atheists in a very complicated philosophical and scientific way, which is beyond the comprehension of a common man. In this short clip, I'll try to discuss this point by a simple analogy. But before I do that, I would like to explain God's four attributes regarding creation as stated in Quran. The first one is Al-Badi, the originator, the innovator, the one who creates something from nothing. The second attribute is Al-Fatir, that is one who creates by splitting. The third attribute of God regarding creation is Al-Khaliq, the one who creates something with something. And the fourth one is Al-Bari, that is the one who initiates life and separates one creation from his other creations. The four categories, out of these four categories, Al-Badi, Al-Fatir, and Al-Bari are unique to God. But we know that we human beings also made something from something. So that is why God has mentioned in the Holy Quran that He is the best of creators, Ahsanul Khaliqeen. But there is no such word in Quran as Ahsanul Badi'een, Ahsanul Fatirin, or Ahsanul Bari'een, because these three are unique with Him. God creates something from nothing, God creates from splitting, and God initiates life. But mankind cannot do it. Mankind can only make something from something. Now we come to the second point, and this is, as I said, it's an analogy that creation is a material product, as people say that if God created everything, then who created God? God created the material, first of all, and then God created the laws through which He created something. But it does not mean that He is also created by the same material and under the same law. For example, cars are manufactured with metal, glass, clothes, rubber, etc., and under certain laws. But the manufacturer of car is not made or created with that material and under those laws with the help of which he has made cars. Likewise, God the Creator is not made of that material and not under those laws with which the universe and everything in it, including mankind, is created. So we cannot say that if God created everything, then who created God? Because God is the creator of that material. And God is the creator of that law under which He created everything. And He is above the law and He is separate from that material. He was not created by that material, as the manufacturer of car is not created by that material with which he manufactures car, and not under that law by which or under which he created that car. So this simple analogy is very easy to rebut the counter argument that if God created everything, then who created God? May Allah enable us to prove the existence of God through these simple things, and may Allah guide all the atheists. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.